Following the official launch of the renewed version of the Ideal L9 Smart, real cars have now started to arrive at dealerships one after another. The new Ideal L9 is positioned as a full-size SUV. It continues the current design style, adds grey exterior paint, improves the assisted driving hardware and chips, and replaces the large-size rear screen with the same Ideal Mega Home family version. For reference, the recommended retail prices for the Ideal L9 Smart Renewed version are 409,800 yuan and 439,800 yuan respectively. The new car continues the current family design language in terms of appearance. The front of the car is complemented by the longitudinal strip of daytime running lights. The high and low beam light groups are arranged vertically on the guide grooves at both ends, and the smoked front frame forms a U-shaped design, creating a sense of calm. At the bottom, there is a long poster-shaped air intake grille decorated with thin chrome plating, which makes the front of the vehicle look more layered. It is worth noting that a smaller laser radar is standard at the top of the entire series and can provide L2 level driving assistance together with other driving assistance equipment. In addition, an 8-megapixel camera is added to the Pro version. The current Horizon Journey 5 chip is abandoned and the Horizon Journey 6M supported driving chip is switched to. In the Ultra version, the dual NVIDIA Orin X chip is abandoned and a single Thor U chip is used, and the processing power is increased to 700 TOPS. The sides of the body have not been changed compared to the current model. The thin body is quite plain, the flat roof is slightly sloped downwards, the hidden windows are made of flat water-cut glass and the edges are decorated with decorative strips, which increases the refined feel of the vehicle to a higher level. While the outer lines of the fenders are determined by hard lines, the body of the vehicle looks more three-dimensional when combined with the door lines. When we look at the body dimensions, the length, width and height values are 5,218 by 1,998 by 1,800 mm, and the wheelbase is 3,105 mm. The simple rear of the car is not decorated exaggeratedly. The interior of the iconic straight-line type rear taillights is smoky. The Ideal logo is attached to the upper part, and the license plate frame is attached to the lower part. The full frame at the rear is quite large. The interior of the new car continues to adopt the family design style with a flat center console and an embracing cockpit design. A striking center console and co-pilot entertainment dual screen and optimized vehicle system functions elevate the Ideal Classmate to a 3D image, and can perform life assistance functions such as business trips, urgent questions and takeaway orders. The traditional instrument panel design in the vehicle has been eliminated, and a 4-spoke steering wheel has been used, where simple information such as gear position can be displayed with a small screen integrated on the steering wheel. The auxiliary instrument panel includes a mobile phone wireless charging panel and a cup holder. The new vehicle adopts a 2+2+2 seating arrangement for 6 people, while the first 2 rows are enriched with hot stone massage systems, and the size of the rear entertainment screen has been increased from 15.7 inches to 21.4 inches in line with the Ideal Mega Home Family Special Edition. In terms of configuration, the new car has a total of 6 charging ports, 2 additional USB charging ports, in the rear row, while the maximum charging power has been increased to 67 kilowatts. The interior rearview mirror has been transformed into a streaming media rearview mirror. In addition, the memory parking function is added in the new Pro version in terms of assisted driving functions. In terms of power, the 1.5T is equipped with extended range power, of which the 1.5T range extender has a maximum power of 110 kilowatts, paired with a dual motor of 130 kilowatts in the front and 200 kilowatts in the rear, and adapted to a 52.3 kilowatt-hours CATL triple lithium battery. Pure electric range can reach 280 kilometers. Compare